Team getting airborne. And I'm sure there's many people in the audience going, ah, I remember this.
Yeah, that's one of the great things about this display series. We're hearing from the two pilots earlier on when Jonathan interviewed them. That there are, wherever de Havilland Canada Chipmunks, like these two aircraft go, people will recall flying in them or flying them. And there aren't too many aeroplanes around these days that have the Ferry Delta II and the Hawker Siddeley Kestrel, predecessor of the Harrier, membership of the 111 Squadron Black Arrows Hunter team. They were an amazing bunch.
And Ben, I think I'm right in saying, but I'm sure you'll correct me, that this is one of the few aircraft types that has served with the Royal Air Force, the Army Air Corps and the Fleet Aero.
Yeah, the Navy had them.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now back time in the afternoon. Commentary position with the man in red. He is